So today is the open house for Black People's History of Canada. It's our spring open house, and we want to show the university community and the world community. We want to let people know what we've been doing for the past 3 years with respect to research on Black history in Canada. Numerous research projects. We have done films, videos. We have created brochures and banners, and we wanted to showcase that today and to let people come and browse and participate in the drumming workshop, in the dance workshop, in the quizzes and the games that we have set up.
I'm here, part of the Black People's History of Canada Symposium, to do some dancing. I'm doing 2 dances. One is a harvest dance. You could think of it as end of season and harvesting what was produced throughout the season. And the second dance that I am going to do is called Pacha, and that is about a girl fetching water. The idea behind keeping dance alive, again, isn't just for something fun to do or isn't just for fitness, but it's to really remember our philosophies, our principles, and our values, which can benefit us overall. So that's part of what dance means to me and what I wanted to bring to this event today.
And we have been so fortunate to have this group of drummers here to enliven the open house and to showcase our African culture through music and drum. Our drummers are Mr. Wayne Hamilton, Mr. Robert Leek, and Mr. Khalifa Jallo Hamilton.
We just are really appreciative that Dr. Cooper is allowing us to play. We like playing the drum because it does give us a connection to our historical African past. So to emanate on the drums allows us to express that spirit of African society. So we're really happy that she invited us.